enter. You can do it for 5 times or 10 times. It's pretty slow. Yes, you can see it's slow. You Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now I want to show you how to very quickly defrag your computer. Okay, now the first you can open this folder. You take file to window WinDrive C. Okay, now you can find TM3. Okay, nah, this trash file, the trash file. Okay, now I want to delete this file. Now file is delete. Okay, delete. Okay, now delete. This file is trash. Is announced, and you now keep this file. Close. Next, skip until the end. Okay, until the end and continue and cancel. That's it. Now you can search the basic folder, prefix folder. Now this is a short until the end, and then is delete. Is this a trash file? You can a full erase in the recycle bin. You click on right and MP3 recycle bin. Okay, now this is all delete. Okay, this file is very big. You can delete all. It's very heavy, yeah. Now I want to change to very fast reader and fast process the computer is. Okay. Now let's see, it's 100 complete. Okay, now I want to search to command prompt. That is command prompt, and you can enter this instruction here //e/s/s and enter. You can do it for 5 times or 10 times. It's pretty slow. Yes, you can see it's slow. You can to roll back again for 5 times or 10 times. It's until it's very fast. Okay, it's still slow. That is stop. Okay deh. Now this is working. It's very happy and more file in the computer is. Now you can see the DEFRAG is very fast. in simple defrag. Okay, this simple defrag. Now you can roll back again for 5 times until this very fast. Not stop in the middle of those. Okay. Let's see, the computer is working very well and good and fast. You can, that is fast, yeah, so fast. Okay, you can try again and get over to 5 times until 7 times or 10 times. It's very good. Apa ya? The file is very diurut apa ya? Very fast lah. Okay? I'm sorry I can speak English very well, but you must understand what to talking to you about this tutorial. Okay, then now it's just for 3 times. You can roll it back again for 5 times. Okay, until 2nd time. It's very fast. You can see that. Oh, fast, yeah, faster, okay, and fastest, okay. You can see the file is structured in fast. Okay, then you can replay this deer. Okay, this enough to roll on command prompt. Okay, from this DOS program. Now you can very faster and make computer now slow to process. Example, I want to open the folder is fast too. Okay, fast ya, too, fast ya, too. Okay, now the computer very fast. Now, thank you for attention. See you again from to my tip again. Okay, yeah, okay, thank you.